When we first started talking, I always knew she was the one. I always knew that. I never had to doubt my mind. I never had to convince myself. I never had to think about it more. Nothing like that.
Now we get to be together every day.
That's right.
Forever.
That's right.
I love Cale's heart. The person that he has become is everything I ever wanted. He loves me better than I could love myself.
There's nothing about Corey that I don't love, I'm not in love with. She's perfect the way she is, but I think that if I had to distill it down to one thing, it's passion. She's been through a lot and she's experienced so much, and no matter what, she's never lost the passion for anything.
He is kind and caring, funny.
And she's hilarious.
Thanks.
Before I read my vows, I wanted to start with a list of thank yous. Thank you for waiting for me. Thank you for finding me, for giving me a chance, for making every dream come true, for being that light in the dark, for standing by my side, for supporting me, for your kindness, for letting me care for you, for the countless laughs, for believing in me. For your faithfulness, for your trust, for being my home, for letting me love you, love me, for being. Thank you.
My entire life has been a search for you, for your calm and steady presence. I've prayed to God for you since I can remember, and I've prayed to God about you. I prayed for Him to give you strength and hope and to wait for me. You are a gift more beautiful than I could have ever imagined. I'm constantly in awe of the way that you love me and understand me. You are kind and selfless, and I never take for granted all the hard work and sacrifices you make for us. You are warm and funny, and I laugh harder each day than the last. Your integrity and values are those that I respect and look up to daily. You lead and guide us, and also respect me as an equal partner. You are strong and steady, and I have never felt so safe as when I'm in your arms. You are my home. You are the love and presence of God here on earth, and I am so thankful and blessed to be your bride. You are seen and you are loved. Loving you is the easiest thing I've ever done, and I vow to love you unconditionally. I was made for you, and you were made for me. I love you, Cale. Thank you for loving me and for choosing me. You are my everything. I am so lucky to be your wife. Love you so much.
I love you, baby.
I'm so excited.
I bet you look beautiful.
I know you look beautiful too. Should we go now? Should we go get married now?
I think so.
Okay. Yes, I am. More ready than I've ever been to do anything.
Hey, gorgeous. We made it. From text on the screen to signals over the air, from 1,000 miles away to hand in hand at the altar, being with you in this moment, in the here and now, is what I waited my entire life. I told you from the start that I'm never going to make you a promise I can't keep. I vow to wake up every day and choose you, not because I have to, but because I want to. That each day I will love you more than yesterday and less than tomorrow. I vow to always believe in you, even when you can't believe in yourself. I vow to always remember that we're soulmates, destined by fate. I vow to always fight for you no matter how hard the battle. I vow to always meet you where you are and help you get where you're trying to go. I vow to be there at the hard moments when you're standing at the edge of yourself. I vow to always be your biggest fan, to help you achieve your dreams and share your beautiful light with the world. I vow to move heaven and hell for you. I'll never lose sight of you. I'll always see you. I vow to always care for you, hell or high water, with every breath that I have. I vow to accept you as you are, help you grow to what you want to be. I vow to always be that lighthouse in the dark, the port in the storm, the true north that'll always bring you home. I vow to give you my entire attention, my loyalty, my support, trust, my love. I'll never let you down, beautiful. From now until forever, brick by brick.
Corey's always been the most loyal, kind, and genuine person in every stage of her life. And I've loved every chapter, and I'm so excited for you for this next one. Kale, I only met you about a month ago, and I have to be honest, before I met you, I was a little skeptical. Things moved quickly, and like any protective friend, I wondered if you could really be everything that Corey deserved. But the moment I met him, all my worries disappeared. He was exactly who Corey described. The way her face lit up around him really said it all. The love, respect, and genuine joy they share is undeniable. He makes her laugh that big, contagious laugh. And he looks at her like she's his whole world. And honestly, that's all I could ever want for you. So thank you, Kale, for loving my best friend the way she deserves.
Growing up with Kale was interesting. He's always been someone, even though I'm the older brother, that I looked up to, mainly because of his stubbornness and his impeccable fashion sense. But most importantly because of his loyalty, his kindness, and the way he shows up for others. Then came Corey. I'll honestly say, you bring a light to Kale that is hard to explain, but all of us can see. Together they make sense, they make each other better, and hopefully they remind all of us what love really looks like.
When I first met Kale, I thought, well, okay, because, if the girl likes him, it's fine with me. But he has become like a son to me, even in the short time that I've known him. And he has made Corey the happiest person in the world. So thank you, and thank you, Corey, for being Corey.
We waited for each other for a really long time.
Really long time. We'll go wherever we can make a home.
Figure it out together.
That's right. So I'm going wherever you are.
That's where I want to be.
It's the only place I need to be.